Hi everyone, this is Greg Kilpack. If you have watched all 5 videos about how to analyze a stock, then that tells me that you're serious about learning the stock market and making more money. You came to the right place. I've been studying the stock market for 25 years and I have the answers that you're looking for. Now, I want to share you something that's really important regarding analyzing a stock. The first 4 videos have all been about choosing an individual stock. But there are 3 things you need to know when it comes to the stock market as far as when to buy a stock and making the most money. You need to know what to buy, you need to know when to buy the stock, and you need to know when to sell it to capture the most profits. Now, the first 4 videos have all been about what to buy. We haven't talked at all about when to buy it or sell it. And those are critical components, and I'm going to show you why here right now. I'm going to go to Yahoo Finance. And this is a chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average right here. And this is a 5-year chart going all the way back to 2008. Okay? Now, for this chart, you need to know that over the last 4 years since the bull market began in 2009, the market's been going up, and almost every stock has gone up with it. I think 29 out of 30 of the stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average have gone up. Let me show you what most stocks are doing in the S&P. I'm going to go to that right now. Bear with me. So we're going to go to a 5-year chart. By the way, today is July 20th, 2013. Now this is also a 5-year chart of the S&P. Now the Dow only has 30 stocks in it. The S&P 500 obviously has 500 stocks in it that are mostly, big companies. So you can see that the S&P 500 has also doubled in the last 5 years. What that's telling you is all stocks pretty much have gone up over the last 5 years. Almost all. I would say something along the lines of 90% have gone up. So what that should be telling you is that when you buy and sell is just as important as what to buy and sell. It's critical. In the last 13 years, depending on what you had bought, like if it was Coca-Cola or McDonald's, those are great companies. But if you had bought them, depending on when you bought them, you could have doubled your money, or you could have lost 50% or more. So, it really depends. It's really important depending on when you buy and sell. It's very critical. So I'm going to teach you a little bit more about market timing. In fact, that's the crux of my company. We teach how to predict stock prices. How is that possible? We do it through looking at economic indicators, through understanding the market cycle, because the market does cycle with the economy over and over. It does the same thing. It repeats. So once you know more about the cycle, you can understand what's going to happen next. That's what we teach at MarketTimingUniversity.com. Now let's go back just a little bit here for the S&P. This is about a 11-year chart here. We had the last bear market, the second 2002 to 2003 bear market. And then we had the bull market of 2003 to 2007. We had the last bear market here. Then we had a strong bull market again. Now, depending on economic conditions and so forth, what's happening right now, the markets may continue up a little more, but at the moment, the economy is not strong. I don't see things climbing a lot more. From an investor's point of view, long term, it doesn't look like a great buy point here. I would probably hold on to the stocks I already owned, but I wouldn't want to buy unless I found a very good stock at a low price. That's called value investing. So anyway, you just need to be aware that timing is critical to when you buy a stock and if you're going to profit from your purchase. So keep that in mind. It's very important. Go to my website and get your free report. 3 things every investor must know to earn greater profits, take less risk, and invest with confidence. You'll learn a lot if you do that. Get involved and read my blog at markettiminguniversity.com, and I guarantee you'll learn a lot. Thanks for joining us, and look for my upcoming videos here on YouTube. Thank you, and have a great day.